clutch. All of the clutch. Picking it up. Back to where he was. Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Oh, have I got a good ride for you today. We're out here today with the Skid Factory boys. We got Mr. Turbo Yoda Al from the Skid Factory, as well as Woody, and their mate Ryan as well on his DRZ 400. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day, I think. Good day. Lyndon Poskett, we are on it. Ew. If you don't know who Lyndon Poskett is, check him out, Races to Places. Good stuff. Alright, will there be water? Or will there not? Let's see. Had a lot of rain. Oh yeah, there's a bit of water in here. I'm riding with the new FMF pipe, and I don't know, just trying to take it easy, or I'm just not sure about the jetting. Basically, it's got a whole lot of flow, different flow and whatever. I'm just a bit worried about, you know, leading the bike out or something like that. I just gave it a bit of a fistful of throttle before in third gear, sort of really loaded it up, and I don't know, it kind of sounded like it was pinging. I don't know if that's sort of possible on a two-stroke or what, but had a bit of a funky sound to it. So I just want to take it easy, not give it too much grief today, and just see how it goes, basically. Downhill's my arch nemesis. I wish I rode downhill mountain bikes as a kid or something, you know. Give me those skills to just plow on through. But it freaks me out not being like fully in control. Now we have found ourselves some single track, and it's very off camber. We will see how we go. We're going to go down. We're going down. Woo! Hey-oh! Oh yeah, there's some serious pinging or rattle going on there. That's one tough hill. That is one tough hill. Oh yeah, all of the clutch, all of the clutch. Yoo-hoo! Hit that big DRZ. Yoo-hoo! Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Oh yeah. Keep going, you're there. You got it. And someone put their bike in the way, didn't they? Someone put their bike in the way, didn't they? And yeah. That was it, yep. You alright? Lovely stuff, isn't it? Yeah. Hang on. Oh, the power. Woo. Alright, it's time to eat some dust at the back here and check out the other riders. Mr. Woody in front. Woo. And then Mr. Ryan and Mr. Al way up front there, cooking that RMZ. Woo! I just said ride, just go for it. We'll work it out. Can't go that far. Saying he's a lot more confident on the RM at the moment, which is fantastic, you know. It's good to see that he's really picking it up. Back to where he was. Right. Someone went down the wrong track, didn't they? Right, little introduction to hillside heaven for the boys. Let's see how we go today. See what the traction's like, eh? Get that way. Oh, Starrell's had a bit of a tumble downhill, I think. Woody in the woods. Woody in the woods. Gives you an idea of how steep it is, hey? A little bit. It's steep, just trust me, it's steep.
Dropping the back wheel down into one of the...
Into the rut. Did you high side or you came off the low side?
Jumped off, was barely moving.
Oh, good. We went different ways, I guess. Alright, well that is it for our ride today. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. If you haven't hit that notification button and subscribe, make sure you do that. Drop a comment below and let me know what you thought about the ride. Super pumped to be riding with a skid factory, guys. So cool. And make sure you share this one with all your friends. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next ride. Woohoo!